Hello. In this video, we will go over how to set up Medic Gateway on an Android phone as you get ready to deploy Medic Mobile. Before we get started, please make sure that you have an Android phone with sufficient SMS balance and internet connectivity to follow along. Great. Let's move on to a quick overview of the Medic Mobile toolkit. Medic Mobile makes it easy for community health workers and facility staff to work together to ensure early access to care. Our platform enables health workers to perform actions such as registering new pregnancies, tracking antenatal care visits and postnatal care visits, and reporting on vaccinations received by children, among other activities. The graphic depicts how this will work. At the community level, health workers will register people and report on actions using simple SMS or the Medic Collect application on their basic or smartphones. These SMS are sent to the Medic Gateway, which is a messaging gateway that syncs all of the SMS received with the Medic mobile web app. Facility users such as nurses or program staff can use the web application in a web browser or any internet-enabled device like laptops, computers, or tablets to view all of the program activity. We will now walk through the steps to install the Gateway application. Start by turning on your Android device. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store application. In Play Store, search for Medic Gateway. You will be able to see this logo under Apps. Select this app. Next, on the Medic Gateway page in Google Play Store, select Install. As soon as you do, the app will automatically download. Once the download is complete, click on Open to access the installed application. Next, a pop-up dialog box will ask for your permission to use Medic Gateway for SMS. Click Allow. Another pop-up dialog box will ask for your permission to use Medic Gateway to manage and make phone calls. Click Allow again. The next pop-up dialog box will ask for your permission to allow Medic Gateway to access media files. Click Allow. Once you do this, you will see a warning message on your device. Select Help Me Change. Click Yes on the pop-up dialog box to confirm your selection. The next screen will ask you to enter the instance name and password. Enter the information here provided by Medic Mobile for your project. Ensure that App is selected from the drop-down menu next to instance name. Also ensure that Enable Polling is checked. Then click Save. Once saved, you will be directed to the Event Log tab. Here you can see all of the activity performed by the gateway in chronological order. To see messages sent by your health workers in the field, click on To Web App. To see auto replies from the web application to your community health workers, click on From Web App. Next, we will test the gateway to ensure that it works correctly. Click on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. A drop-down list will appear. From this drop-down, click on Compose. You will arrive at a compose message screen like this. Here, type out a test message and send it to your own mobile number so that we can check whether the messages are being received. To check if the message was sent successfully, click on From Web App. If the message was delivered successfully, you will see the message appear in the list marked with Delivered. Next, from your mobile number, send a test SMS to the gateway device's SIN number. To check if the message was received by Medic Gateway, click on To Web App. If received successfully, you will see the message appear in this list marked with Forwarded. The messages might take up to a minute to appear on the Gateway app. If this does not work, please contact the Medic Mobile team for troubleshooting support. You are now set up with Medic Gateway. To keep your Medic Gateway device functioning at optimum capacity, please follow these steps. Ensure that the device is switched on and plugged into power at all times. Ensure that it is always connected to Wi-Fi with mobile data set up as backup. Make sure that the Android SIM has sufficient SMS balance at all times. Do not download any other applications like WhatsApp and Facebook on the gateway phone. If using an older device, ensure that other applications such as these are deleted. Finally, enable developer options on the Android device and turn on Stay Awake mode. Let's do this together next. Here's how to get to the developer options on a few popular devices. These steps could vary among different phone models. To turn on developer options, you will need to navigate your phone to the build number portion of the settings, which can be tucked away and buried in submenus. You could also try searching for build number under settings instead. Once you found the build number section of the settings, tap on the section 7 times. After the first 2 taps, a small pop-up notification should appear informing you how many steps away you are from being a developer. After the 7th tap, the developer options will be unlocked and available. Once you enable developer options, turn on Stay Awake mode. Great, we're all set up. Your gateway is now installed and can support your Medic Mobile implementation. Please reach out to our team with any questions. Thank you so much for watching.